Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to get good quality on Alight Motion. To achieve good quality in Alight Motion, you'll need to consider the following tips, so make sure you watch the video till the end. The first thing you'll need to do is to launch open Alight Motion app and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the plus button at the bottom and create a new project. While creating a project, go ahead and select your resolution and set it up to the highest as possible and then click on Create Project. Now that you've set up highest resolution for your new project, the next thing you'll need to do is while exporting your video, choose the highest resolution available. Tap the plus button at the bottom right and then click on Media. Select the video that has the highest resolution from your library and upload it on your project. Now that you've uploaded a highest resolution video and once you have made all the edits necessary, go to the top right corner and tap on the export button. While exporting, if available, go ahead and select the highest quality for your video. Simply click on the arrow right next to video and under video, click on export resolution and select the highest quality possible. Right after you do that, click on export at the bottom and you will be able to export your video in highest quality or the good quality. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.